Looking for a healthy alternative to Coke and Pepsi? Today at Brewnourish, I will show you the easiest and fastest way to make a fermented, probiotic-rich fruit soda at home. It's fizzy, refreshing and packed with gut-healing probiotics, the perfect replacement for unhealthy sodas. There are many ways to make natural soda, but this method is beginner-friendly and super simple. For today's recipe, I am using pineapple and mango, but you can replace them with any fruit you love, berries, apples or even grapes. First, I blended the fresh pineapple with just a little water to get a smooth base. Now I am transferring it into a fermented friendly bottle. If you are new to fermentation, it's important to choose the right bottle, one that's tight enough to keep air inside but not completely airtight like flip top bottle. Flip top bottles can be risky because pressure buildups and may cause the bottle to burst. Here is the science behind it. Natural yeast and bacteria from the fruit and the air will consume the fruit sugars. In return, they release carbon dioxide, and that's what gives you soda its natural fizz. So now into my bottle, I will add the blended pineapple along with some filtered water. Next, I will add 1 full spoon of sugar. Even though fruit already has natural sugar, adding extra sugar creates a stronger soda effect. Finally, a few pieces of ginger. This not only boosts the fermentation but also adds a wonderful spicy kick to the flavor. Now shake it well, close the lid tightly and leave it at the room temperature for ferment. Here in Singapore the weather is hot, so I can't risk leaving it too long. Two days later, it's ready. Now watch this. As I open the bottle, you can see the beautiful fizz just like Coke or Pepsi. The color is vibrant and the aroma is amazing. And the taste? Absolutely delicious. Let me explain why this happened. Since I did not open the cap for 2 days, there is a lot of pressure build-up inside the bottle. To avoid overflow, it's best to keep the drink in the fridge for a few hours before opening. And always place a bowl underneath while opening the cap, just in case the soda bubbles over. With the tropical sweetness of pineapple, a hint of mango and that refreshing ginger flavor, it's awesome. It's bubbly, it's flavorful and best of all, it's full of healthy probiotics. This is proof that a homemade natural soda can be just as satisfying as any commercial drink, but so much better for your gut health. If you have enjoyed this recipe, give it a try and let me know which fruit you would like to ferment next. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Brewnourish for more probiotic recipes and fermentation tips.